Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make this quick and easy Loobia Polo together, which will be ready in just 1 hour. Let's see how it's done. Well, like any other food, we'll start by chopping the onions. Finely chop the onions into small cubes. Place the pot on the stove with high heat and pour in some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and saute them for a minute or two. There is no need to fry them too much because they will soften and melt during cooking. When they become light and translucent, add turmeric and black pepper. We only need a few seconds for the spices to release their nice aroma. Now we add the minced meat and stir it. Saute the meat until it breaks apart. If you prefer to have larger pieces of meat in your dish, don't stir the meat too much here. Just let it saute on both sides. Now add the salt. Since it's minced meat, we can add salt at this stage and it won't become tough. Stir again. Now add the cinnamon stick and tomato paste and saute until the raw taste of the paste is gone and its color deepens. Now add the raw beans and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add about 1 cup of hot boiled water and let the mixture cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Keep the cinnamon stick in the pot until the end of cooking, so that the aroma of cinnamon infuses the whole dish. Remove it at the time of serving. After 20 minutes, add a little saffron. Now add the rinsed rice to the pot and gently mix it. Add a bit of lukewarm water and let the rice cook. When the water is almost absorbed, let the rinse steam for 25 to 30 minutes using a heat diffuser. Finally, add the remaining saffron and remove the cinnamon stick from the rice. Our Loobia Polo is ready. Now we serve the Loobia Polo. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, healthy and kind.